Vacuum lifters are widely used in industries like manufacturing, logistics, engineering and construction to lift heavy, bulky, or delicate and fragile materials. Selecting the right vacuum lifter for your business, your processes, and the materials you handle is crucial for ensuring safety, efficiency, productivity, and ultimately a satisfactory return on your investment. But with so many options available, how do you make the best choice? The type of lifter you need depends on whether it will be stationary or portable and what power sources you have available. Tube vacuum lifters use the vacuum pump or blower to both create the suction for the vacuum cup to connect to the material surface and to lift the secured load via a concertining vacuum tube. Vacuum tube lifters are good for loads up to 200 kilograms and are often used in manufacturing, lifting bags, sacks, cartons and sheets, eliminating what was previously a manual handling lift. Powered vacuum lifters, electric or pneumatic, are usually an underhook lifting attachment on an overhead or jib arm crane. Powered vacuum lifters use electricity, or air, compressed or vacuum, to generate suction for attaching the vacuum cups to the surface to be lifted. Powered vacuum lifters have the widest range of cup configurations and lifting capacities available in any of the vacuum lifter types. Powered vacuum lifters are used extensively in manufacturing and engineering, where there is good electricity supply or compressed air supply available that can be run to the vacuum lifter. Portable powered vacuum lifters, battery-powered, are used where the load needs to be transported outside the range of an overhead crane. Portable powered vacuum lifters operate by using a vacuum pump or generator to create suction, which securely attaches the lifter to the item to be lifted. Usually set up for use with a fork hoist, but can also be used with a crane, or a combination of both. A wide range of vacuum cup configurations and lifting capacities is available, from lifting very thin sheet metal, slabs of precast concrete, or moving pipes on a pipeline. Vacuum lift systems are unique pieces of lifting equipment that can prove transformational to the businesses that need them, not just in terms of safety, but in efficiency, productivity, and rate of return.